Turmeric is a colorful and flavorful spice that is known not just for its taste, but also for its exceptional health benefits. The secret behind its powerful benefits lies in its active ingredient, curcumin. This natural compound is well known for its exceptional anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making it an excellent addition to any wellness routine. In this video, we'll explore 10 impressive benefits of incorporating turmeric into your diet. Stick around till the end because there's one surprise health benefit that you don't want to miss. Benefit number 1. Promotes weight loss. Some research suggests that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, may help with weight loss. Curcumin may regulate the growth and differentiation of fat cells, potentially reducing the accumulation of fat tissue. In addition to slowing down the formation of new fat cells, curcumin may also influence the size of existing fat cells. Some studies have found that curcumin supplementation can lead to a reduction in the size of fat cells. To inch closer to your dream body, all you need to do is add half a teaspoon of turmeric to a glass of milk and consume it daily in the morning and evening. This delightful concoction can help boost your metabolism and reduce your appetite, aiding in your weight loss journey. Benefit number 2. Eliminates acne. Turmeric has been used for ages in Ayurvedic medicine to treat skin conditions, and modern science has found evidence to support its efficacy for skin health. In a 2016 study conducted by dermatologists from Drexel University and the University of California, Sacramento, it was determined that turmeric is an effective anti-acne remedy. Acne is caused by an excess of the bacteria Propionibacterium acnes, which is becoming more resistant to antibiotics. Turmeric offers a great natural alternative that works just as well. To try it out, mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to make a paste. Apply it to affected areas for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off. Repeat this process 3 times a week for a month to achieve clearer skin. Benefit number 3. Regulates blood sugar levels. Turmeric has been found to offer potential benefits for individuals with diabetes or those concerned about maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Curcumin has been shown to have anti-diabetic effects. It may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and increasing glucose uptake by cells. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Studies have suggested that curcumin may help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve markers of glucose metabolism. It may also contribute to reducing insulin resistance, which can lead to better insulin utilization and blood sugar control. Furthermore, curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may also play a role in blood sugar regulation. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress have been linked to insulin resistance and the development of diabetes. By combating inflammation and reducing oxidative stress, curcumin may help support healthy blood sugar management. Before we proceed to the next surprising benefit, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Benefit number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of the key benefits of turmeric is its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, is known for its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and chronic pain. Curcumin works by inhibiting the activity of inflammatory molecules in the body, which helps to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Studies have shown that curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects are comparable to some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the potential side effects. It may help alleviate symptoms in people with conditions like arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and inflammatory bowel disease. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, curcumin may also help boost the activity of the body's antioxidant enzymes, further contributing to its overall anti-inflammatory and health-promoting effects. Benefit number 5. Promotes digestive health. Turmeric is renowned for its traditional use in promoting digestive wellness, and modern research supports its potential benefits in this area. One of the main ways turmeric helps digestion is by stimulating bile production, which helps with the breakdown and absorption of fats. By enhancing bile production, turmeric can support better digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, turmeric has the potential to positively impact the gut microbiota, the diverse community of microorganisms residing in the digestive system. Maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria is crucial for optimal digestion and overall gut health. Benefit number 6. Boosts brain function. Turmeric has also shown potential as a natural nootropic, meaning it may enhance cognitive function and brain health. The active compound curcumin has been found to have neuroprotective properties that may support brain function and mental clarity. Curcumin can increase the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the growth and survival of brain cells. Low levels of BDNF have been associated with various neurological disorders like Alzheimer's, depression, and anxiety. Therefore, curcumin's ability to increase BDNF levels may have implications for improved cognitive function and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. In addition, turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which are factors that contribute to cognitive decline. Benefit number 7. Treats arthritis symptoms. Turmeric may also have potential benefits in reducing joint pain and inflammation in people with arthritis. Arthritis is a common condition that causes stiffness, swelling, and pain in the joints. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which may improve symptoms of arthritis. In addition, studies have shown that curcumin can suppress various molecular targets involved in the development of arthritis, providing further evidence for its anti-arthritis properties. One study showed that curcumin helped reduce joint pain and swelling and improved overall functioning in people with osteoarthritis, the most common form of arthritis. Another study discovered that combining curcumin with another natural anti-inflammatory compound called boswellia may be more effective in reducing arthritis symptoms than either compound alone. Benefit number 8. Promotes heart health. Turmeric may have positive effects on heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Curcumin has been found to exhibit several cardiovascular benefits. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are implicated in the development of heart disease. Studies have suggested that curcumin can improve endothelial function, which is essential for the proper functioning of blood vessels. It may help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of blood clots. In addition, curcumin has been shown to decrease levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while increasing levels of HDL, good cholesterol. This beneficial effect on blood lipid levels may contribute to a healthier heart. Moreover, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties may also help prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the narrowing and hardening of arteries. Benefit number 9. Boost immune system. Another wonderful benefit of turmeric is its potential to boost the immune system. The active compound curcumin in turmeric has been shown to possess immune-modulating properties, meaning it can help regulate and strengthen the immune system. Curcumin helps activate various immune cells in the body, such as macrophages, natural killer cells, and T cells, which play crucial roles in defending the body against pathogens, viruses, and bacteria. By enhancing the activity of these immune cells, curcumin can potentially improve the body's ability to fight infections and diseases. Additionally, curcumin has been found to possess antioxidant properties, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can weaken the immune system and make the body more susceptible to illnesses. By decreasing oxidative stress and inflammation, curcumin supports overall immune function and health. Benefit number 10. Possibly prevents cancer. Turmeric has gained attention in the field of cancer research due to its potential anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that turmeric may have a role in cancer prevention and treatment. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, possesses strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties may help protect cells from damage and reduce chronic inflammation, which are factors that contribute to the development and progression of cancer. Research suggests that curcumin may inhibit the growth and spread of various cancer cells, including breast, lung, colon, prostate, and pancreatic cancer cells. It has been found to interfere with severe molecular pathways involved in cancer development, preventing tumor formation and inhibiting the spread of cancer cells. Consult with your doctor first before you decide to add turmeric to your diet. Turmeric can have some side effects or interactions with medications. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.